All right, so good day, YouTube. My name is Andre. You can call me the Matrix. So I just recently got through with merch by Amazon. I got accepted, and it's been a week now. I applied 2 weeks ago, and it took me a week to get a message from merch by Amazon saying that they welcome me to the platform. Well, previously to that, I did research, and I heard that it took some people a month to get through, some people up to 6 months and even a year. So when I did the application, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna get through anytime soon. So I just kind of took my mind off it for a couple of days, and fortunately, I got a message saying that I got through. So I'm really grateful for that. So yeah. So far, as I said, I've been on it for a week now, and I have 4 designs that are live, one in review. I took 2 down because there were profanities in them, so I didn't want any strikes on my account, so I took them down. And so, you know what I mean? Well, hopefully something sells soon. I have 5 more spots, so throughout the week and this weekend I'll be uploading new designs and see where that takes me. I want to come out of the 10th year. I know a bit about the probability complex, where the more designs you have or the more listings you have, the more likely you are to make a sale. So I'm really looking forward to tearing up. Well, so you see, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna wait long, or as long as some people do, to get through with merch. It could take you a week. I saw a video, however, that said that you should message them and tell them how excited you are, and the ways in which you are going to go about designing your shirts, and you know what I mean, just let them know that you are enthused to be on the platform. And I did that. So I don't know if that's the reason why I was accepted so quickly. So I would advise you, if you're applying now, to just send them a little message, do what I do, to see if that can help you guys out to get through sooner. So yeah, that's what I did. I don't know if that's the reason, but I got through within a week, and I'm grateful for that. Yeah, so yeah, try that. um I wish there was an analytics where I could see how many views my designs are getting, because I haven't made a sale yet, so I don't even know if anyone is seeing my designs, right? So yeah, that's something that I wish merch would improve upon. One of my shirts, when I type the name, the entire title within the search engine, I noticed that my shirt doesn't even come up. I see everything else but my shirt. So I was wondering if my keyword was way off, and I'll look into that tomorrow. But I'm really excited to be on Merch by Amazon, and hopefully I can be successful on this platform. I'm a graphics designer by nature. I'm not certified, but I know my way around Photoshop, and I am very. I can express myself with the pencil, if you understand. I'm an artist by nature, so yeah. I've been coming up with designs. I've been following advice by other people on merch, that you should find out what is selling and then try to design um, shirts similar to that. But you must be aware of copyright claims. So make sure that if you are designing a shirt that is close to a design that is selling, that you don't impede upon their copyright, um, whatever you call it, right? So you make sure that you don't do the design too close to the one that you're copying. So other than that, I'm really excited to be on merch, and hopefully I can excel in this. I heard that it's new. It's about over going 3 years or 2 years, a little bit over 2 years now. So it's a new platform. It's the same Amazon, but it's a new part of Amazon. So there's still room probably for growth. Hopefully it's not already saturated, because I've been doing drop shipping and other things, and now drop shipping, to me, if you're not doing it on Shopify, or you have your own website, drop shipping on eBay and other websites seems futile right now because it's so saturated. Tell you what, when I started dropshipping, right? I started on eBay. There wasn't much room for me to profit, so I was selling